The bulk article generator is if you want to create a lot of articles, especially for link builders who are using SEO Neo, Money Robot, Ranker X, GSA. This is the perfect tool for this. Um, it's almost the same as the build scheduler. The only thing is you cannot create images in this system because I decided not to do it because most of the time you can scrape images and use this in SEO Neo or Money Robot or whatever. So to start is the keywords. You put in the keywords. You can put the business information. So if you really go for branding, perfect to put it in. And content settings is exactly the same. Custom prompt is also the same. Here we see advanced AI features. I am busy with this because this is one of the things maybe it can make it better. If not, if I think no, so you're gonna see sometimes some things. Hey, what's this? And then the next day is gone. I only go for really the best in link building and on-page SEO. So not sure if this is gonna stay, but target persona, you can say it is for, well, it's essentially small business owners, or it is for people who are looking desperately for a plumber, right? Article variations on article per article, you can 5 articles, 5 variations. You have to keep in mind, I put this in 200, no more than 200 articles. Why? Now sometimes you have hiccups, and although the system saves it, it can also not saving it, and then you lose your articles, which is a waste of time. In 200 articles you have I think in around 100 minutes you have perfect, really good articles. So if you say 2 and you have 100 keywords, it's 2 times 100, and etc. etc. So keep in mind that is um, based on amount of keywords. For the rest, oh, let's see. Um, that's it for the build article generator.